Georgie. Georgie. Georgie.
You're broke, and I'm not gonna help you be not broke.
Georgie. Georgie. Come here. Come here. Get back.
I'm just glad it's over.
Why we here then? For 869. The same phone.
Because it's bad.
Georgie.
That's all.
Georgie's scared of. Georgie is scared of the camera. He's walking all the way over here. Okay. Grandma, look, anytime when I put the camera at him, he just runs. Door. And then how did Georgie go all the way over there when he was right here? He's like running all the way over there.
He was a drug addict who spent 10 years in prison. And he met Ricky's daughter while in a halfway house. Brandon claims
Georgie.
as a result of his past. He's had a hard time securing a job. But he insists Ricky has been repaid for the month.
Start with you.
I met Brandon back, I think it was November or December. He's dating my daughter. He's the father of my grandbaby. And he'd been in prison for 10 years, was in a halfway house, and I really didn't think he was a good option for my daughter.
Well, Georgie, Georgie.
I started helping him out anyway because they were together, and he's the father of my grandbaby. So I found out that he was...
Well, you want to go up there with Grandma? Want to go up there with Grandma?
Coming back from prison.
After leaving the halfway house and then getting...
Grandma, you should have seen him running. He was like running so fast over here.
They would be fighting and
She told you he was on crystal meth?
on meth, yeah.
How long ago was that?
Okay, I'm going to put him on the pad one more time, and I'm going to see if you guys to use the bathroom.
Since his parole?
Yeah, since he left the halfway house. And he would tell me that
Nope.
he would be clean for a while. And
Come
I
here.
help him because I run a missionary business. Missionary roofing
A
business.
missionary? Well, you're supposed to help him. You're a missionary.
Masonry officer.
Oh, Mason. Oh, okay.
Masonary roofing.
You know. Missionary, I said, he had a little work to do over there, it appears. Like, he might like to take a nip or two every now and then. No meth, but you take your shot, won't you?
I'm a recovering alcoholic drug addict myself, and I believe in second
How long
chance.
you been in recovery?
5 years.
He's scared of the camera. He is scared of the camera. I thought he was, because soon as he jumped like...
His daughter, and
Did she work there or was it patient?
no, I met her on Facebook while I was at the halfway house.
What, you want some of that? You want some of this?
You know, dating, and I ended up leaving there, and
Alright, let's see.
When was that?
this
It's milk.
I left in April
Georgie.
2018,
Okay.
and but I met her in December 18. Well, by dating her, I ended up getting.
Guess he doesn't know how to suck it.
Having family outings.
Because he's just looking around it to try to get it.
It's kind of messed up, you know.
So you know he's hungry.
And I have been a president and everything.
Oh, I think he's... Hold up.
So I know I had to get a job. I couldn't really find a job like that as quick as possible.
It would be much easier if you...
Ricky didn't say, you know, he'll let me work.
Alright.
Stay tuned. The case continues after this.
Did you all pay him anything?
I felt like we paid him back
Felt like.
because he was out of work and
What, when you went in your pocket, when you came out, you had less in there, it felt
Okay.
lighter it felt lighter when he came
Mom needs to be here so Mom can make his food. So Georgie can go back to sleep and then I can go do my Lexia. So I'm gonna stop recording, guys. I'll see you guys later. Peace.
what's this?
Wait, I'll see you guys later. Peace.